So the cat is hungry and Shay gives it some fish. No fish on this book. And then at the end of the story, Shay finds the cat's mom, and then Shay buys the cat a litter box. Okay, the litter box. And at the end of the story, they find the cat's mom. I hope you will laugh out loud with Amelia Bedelia, just like the other Amelia Bedelia books, with me. Okay, they are so funny, I can't help laughing. Okay. So, I hope you will laugh out loud like me with Amelia Bedelia, and if you read it, she will laugh back at you. Ha 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 ha. Okay, in the back of the book there are raining cats and dogs. There she is, eating a sandwich. I laugh out loud with this book, and I hope you will like it as much as me, and check it out at your local library